This is the scariest thing that's happening to me, guys. This keeps on ticking like someone's pressing the button. And my friend heard it while I was in the bathroom. And while I was in the bathroom, lights were flickering.
And Squirrely came!
And Squirrely came. I'll give him a nut. Make sure it doesn't do it again. Squirrely! Okay. Oh my god. This keeps on doing it. And I don't know why. And right last time, right when I stopped recording, it started doing it again. If you don't know who he is, he's the guy from All My Haunted Blocks. That's over again. Just did a click. Hear that?
Today, this morning, when we were riding scooters and we came in, the gate was shut, locked shut, and it opened.
We even heard it open, and we looked the whole entire yard, and no one was there. Guys, you might think this is stupid because we're just pointing our camera at a toaster or whatever, but this is really... There it is! What the fuck? Oh my god. Do you hear that? It stopped. What the fuck is this? What? Stop. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm going to have to cut this out. I'll do something. Alright, I'm back. I'm going to cut it. This is so weird. Do you know why it's doing this?
No.
Guys, when I was in the bathroom, the lights were flickering, and he told me it was going, and the lights were flickering as it was doing it, and I got really scared. I'm really scared right now. What the hell is that? I don't want to get close to it anymore. Do you hear that? Do you not hear that?
Let's go check other places.
Let's go check the office.
Bathroom we did. Oh yeah, office. Let's go.
Up like there.
Never.
The fuck open.
Only with the language. The macho. You get red in the mouth once.
I hear it.
Okay, let's go check some other places.
It just did it really quietly. Did you hear that? Sounded like someone
We
was...
saw a person go up and down. Come here. I saw a person. The top of the steps came all the way down, but not past that mirror, and then just ran back up when I looked.
This is scary. I hope my fish is okay.